Review of the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount, a game changer for workspace ergonomics and flexibility. When it comes to optimizing your workspace, few accessories make as significant an impact as a high-quality monitor mount. The Huanhua Single Monitor Mount is one such product that has completely transformed my desk setup, offering a perfect blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. After using it for several weeks, I can confidently say that this monitor stand is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their productivity, comfort, and overall workspace efficiency. Design and build quality, premium and sturdy. The first thing that struck me about the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount is its robust build quality. Made from high-grade aluminum alloy and heavy-duty steel, this mount feels incredibly sturdy and well-constructed. The sleek, matte black finish gives it a modern and professional look that complements any desk setup, whether at home or in the office. The mount is designed to hold monitors weighing between 4.4 pounds and 26.4 pounds, with a maximum screen size of 32 inches. This wide compatibility range ensures that it can accommodate most standard monitors, including curved and flat screens. The Visa plate supports 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm patterns, making it versatile enough for a variety of monitor models. Ease of installation, simple and hassle-free. Setting up the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount was surprisingly straightforward. The package includes all the necessary tools and hardware, along with a detailed instruction manual. The clamp and grommet mounting options provide flexibility depending on your desk setup. I opted for the clamp installation, which took me less than 15 minutes to complete. The heavy-duty C-clamp securely attaches to desks up to 3.35 inches thick, ensuring stability without damaging the surface. One of the standout features is the cable management system. The mount includes built-in cable clips that keep wires neatly organized and out of sight. This not only enhances the overall look of your workspace, but also prevents tangling and clutter. Adjustability, unmatched flexibility. The true highlight of the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount is its exceptional adjustability. The full-motion design allows for a wide range of movements, including tilt, swivel, rotation, and height adjustment. This level of flexibility ensures that you can position your monitor at the perfect angle to reduce neck and eye strain, promoting better posture and long-term comfort. Tilt. The monitor can be tilted -5 degrees to +15 degrees, allowing you to find the optimal viewing angle. Swivel. The 180-degree swivel feature lets you easily share your screen with others or adjust the orientation based on your seating position. Rotation. The 360 degrees rotation capability is perfect for switching between landscape and portrait modes, ideal for tasks like coding, reading, or graphic design. Height adjustment. The gas spring mechanism makes it effortless to adjust the height of the monitor, with a range of 5.9 inches. This feature is particularly useful if you frequently switch between sitting and standing desks. The gas spring arm is smooth and responsive, allowing for easy adjustments without any wobbling or sagging. Even with my 27-inch monitor, the mount holds its position securely, even when repositioned multiple times. Space-saving benefits, a clutter-free desk. One of the biggest advantages of the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount is its ability to free up valuable desk space. By lifting the monitor off the desk surface, you gain more room for other essentials like notebooks, keyboards, or even a cup of coffee. This not only makes your workspace look cleaner, but also enhances productivity by reducing distractions. Performance, reliable and durable. In terms of performance, the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount has exceeded my expectations. The gas spring mechanism ensures smooth and effortless adjustments, while the sturdy construction keeps the monitor stable, even during extended use. I've experienced no issues with sagging or drifting, which is a common problem with lesser quality mounts. The mount also handles the weight of my monitor with ease, maintaining its position without any wobbling or shaking. This stability is crucial, especially if you're working on detailed tasks that require precision. Value for money, worth every penny. Considering its premium build quality, extensive adjustability, and space-saving benefits, the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount offers excellent value for money. It's competitively priced compared to other high-end monitor mounts on the market, making it an affordable investment for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. Final verdict, a must-have for any workspace. In conclusion, the Huanhua Single Monitor Mount is an outstanding product that delivers on all fronts. Its robust construction, ease of installation, and unparalleled adjustability make it a top choice for anyone seeking to improve their workspace ergonomics. Whether you're a professional, a gamer, or a casual user, this monitor mount will enhance your comfort, productivity, and overall experience. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and stylish monitor mount, the Huanua single monitor mount is undoubtedly worth considering. It's a small investment that makes a big difference, and I highly recommend it to anyone in need of a workspace upgrade.